Hello guys, ako si Earl James Lau. I'm giving you examples of patterns and regularities. Yung unang examples guys, foam or bubbles. You see, bubbles, bubbles. Una nga examples, pattern. At yan guys, pinaglalaruan ko yung bubbles guys habang nasa tabi ko yung kapatid ko guys. Nagsinamok kasi guys, kaya ayan. And the next pattern guys is rotational, which is the axis is the one that I am holding. You see. Kung ako siyang buyayin guys, sumapit siya tuyok. Kung sumasabay siya sa pag-ikot guys, yan ay tinatawag na circular. Pero pag hinahawakan ko guys, yan ay isang rotational axis. And the next example guys is wave. Yan, isang speaker. Isang sound wave. Sound wave. Example, wait lang guys, patingugo na tong speaker guys. Yan, naghintay ba kayo? Wala na, it's a prank guys. Ang example niyan guys is yung mismong speaker ng cellphone na naririnig nyo is nagpo-produce siya ng isang sound wave. Ngunit po example sa phone guys. Ano ang pinsan guys sa ping? Masa depeng? Example sa boom!
Hey guys, so for today's video, we talk about pattern in nature and I will show you some example of pattern in my surrounding. And I'm Jericho Jonsay, BSBA FM1. So guys, I give you 3 examples of pattern in nature. Number 1 is symmetry. Number 2 is spiral, and number 3 cracks. First is symmetry. What is symmetry? Symmetry is a transformation, helps explain or classify the preservation of a natural pattern. So, I give you some examples of symmetry. Number 2, spiral. What is spiral? Spiral is a curved pattern and that focus on the center point and a series of circular shapes that revolve around it. So this is some examples of spiral. And number 3, cracks. What is cracks? Cracks are the liner opening that form in materials to relieve stress. So this is the example of cracks.